I'm inside a PS5 manufacturing factory to show you the complete process. You can already hear the machines humming around me. Let's head in. On this line, robotic arms drop the motherboard straight into the shells while engineers check. This factory uses advanced automation to build PlayStation 5 consoles. These plastic granules are the base material for PS5 outer panels. High quality plastic is required for durability and heat resistance. Plastic granules are fed into injection molding machines. These machines melt plastic at very high temperatures.
Extra plastic is trimmed to achieve a smooth finish.
Each panel is inspected for cracks or defects. This area is dedicated to PS5 motherboard assembly. Automated machines place micro components on the PCB. The boards pass through reflow ovens for soldering. After soldering, the boards are cooled naturally. These machines work with extreme precision and speed. RAM and storage components are added next. Each module clicks into its slot once the latches lock, and the M.2 drive is secured with a tiny screw so it stays firm during operation. That's the heart of the system's memory. The power supply unit is assembled separately. Liquid metal is applied for better heat transfer. Branding
elements are added at this stage. Panels are secured using automated screwdrivers.
The PS5 panels are attached carefully. System software is installed on the PS5.
Console is powered on for basic testing. That's the premise. Consoles undergo performance stress testing. Fan noise levels are checked here. Heat output is measured under load.
Time to quality approval is given after final checks.
There's a pallets on the front. Let me check.
Boxes are stacked on pallets for shipping.
Once they're wrapped and tagged, they're ready for the truck.
PlayStation 5 is manufactured step by step. First, the sleek white shells are injection molded from high-grade plastic.
Thousands of units are produced every day.
Most processes are efficiency.
This completes the PS5 manufacturing process. Thanks for watching this factory tour.